Don't worry about it.
Oh no, back.
This.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny. It's Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live at the Mannequin studio. So it has dawned on me that 92% of people that watch my channel are men. I don't know about you guys, and I'm talking to the men right now, but I'm always trying to better myself and be a better man. So what I've done is I have compiled 8 secrets to help you and me be a better man. And these are things I want to start to do, or things I probably already do. But let's get to the video. First things first, reading. This is a personal shot to the heart for me because growing up, I wasn't much of a reader. But as you grow older, you have to realize that reading helps you expand your mind. Looking at the successful people of the world, they always seem to be reading something, like some smart shit, for real. And like, example, Warren Buffett. It said that he reads like what? 5 to 6 hours a day. And like, I believe like 9 books per week, which estimates to about 500 pages a day. That's a lot of reading, guys. But if you want to be successful, you have to get in the book. Number 2, sleep more. One thing about sleep is that you wake up energized, you're able to retain more stuff. One thing that, this is a personal experience of mine, sometimes I tend to stay awake up till late, and then I'll wake up and I'll be fine. But then down the line in the day, I start to slow down. That's because the body needs sleep, at least 8 hours of sleep. Being a former architecture student, yeah, your boy's graduated, but being a former architecture student, sleeping 8 hours a day is nonsense. But obviously, you have to merge your life around your routine. Now that I'm kind of transitioning into the workforce, obviously it's something I want to look into doing. Number 3, go out more often. I know right now it's quarantine and we're all hiding from the coronavirus, but honestly guys, this is something that I feel like I didn't do enough before quarantine. And yes, I used to go out with my boys and all that, but I realized, like, even now, being at home and stuck at home, basically, it just made me realize that I didn't go out as much as I needed to. Not just going out to the clubs or going out to but just step out, enjoy nature at the end of the day. Take a little walk around your neighborhood. Don't walk too far off, and just enjoy the fresh air. Hear the birds chirping, you feel me? Number 4, work out at least an hour a day. This is something I don't really need to tell you. Obviously, you need some sort of exercise to stay in shape. Not just stay in shape, but keep your blood pumping, keep your blood running. Because at the end of the day, like, we don't know, we can only do so much. And we can only do so much to keep our bodies up to par with like the whole system and all that. I'm not a doctor, a medical doctor, but I know for sure if you're doing your 2 cents, working out at the gym, or just at your house. Plus, when you work out, you look good. You look like this guy right here talking to you on your screen.
Who is this?
Another secret is to subscribe to the Mannequin channel. What does the Mannequin channel provide? Styles, fun, laughs, beautiful content, and then you get to see this beautiful face every day.
Okay.
But yeah, number 6. Oh, I forgot this one. Shower. Take a shower, my bro. Like, come on, like, shower, and then obviously shower and complement it with deodorant.
Throw that iPhone away. Buy deodorant.
Yeah, take a shower and then use deodorant. Like, I wouldn't, like, obviously take a shower with good soap and use good deodorant. I wouldn't recommend anyone personally to you, but definitely use deodorant and take a shower. And also supplement it with a good fragrance. Like, there's so many perfumes you can use out there. I can give you guys what I use, but comment below if you want to see that. But yeah, guys, come on, you're supposed to be the best smelling guy. You can't be walking in a room all timid and shy. Come on. Whew. You see that rhyme? See what I did there? Sheesh. Number 7, adopt a style. When I say adopt a style, if you look at most when I say successful people, it could range as anything. But people that have their shit together, they all adopt a certain type of style. I know on this channel I've given you guys different style points and style tips. But obviously, unless you can, and I understand, like, different styles would cater to different people and different types of people. If you can put things together the right way, especially if you're just starting a fashion journey, I would advise to kind of go down one route and then start to veer off, which I've done personally, because I feel like I'm like a fashion adventurer. It could almost be like a uniform, and not like, okay, not uniform like the same thing every time, but you have like a trend. Like it's almost like music. It's music to the ears, music to the eyes. Every time you see the person, he has like a rhythm to his fits. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So basically, you can try on like that, or this, or this. Not this though. You can't wear that out the house. What's wrong with you? You're a mannequin. Basically, all I'm saying is try different styles out, find out which one caters to you and your mood, and run with it. In my earlier videos, I've shown you guys some casual fits you can kind of put on, both in the summertime, in the wintertime, so go check it out. Last but not the least, number 8.
Business.
When I say business, I know I've heard this thing a lot. Oh,
Ben, business is not for me. Oh, Ben, I already have a job.
a job honestly does not cut it. I'm not being one of those guys, because like, yeah, a job kind of satisfies the immediate need, but you would never live the life you want to live just living like working a job. And that's the truth. It's the painful truth, but that's the truth. Obviously, you've thought about things that you want to do, like business ideas. Even I every time I get a business idea, I always write them down. And when I tell you, I've ran through journals on journals where I've not still done anything. And there's a saying my dad always says: planning without execution is useless at the end of the day. So this year is 2020, and now you're in quarantine. Write down your plans, honestly, and plan out your life, because at the end of the day, you're a man. Like you have goals to reach. And I'm not doing this to downplay the efforts of a woman, but I'm talking to the men right now on the channel. Plan your life, basically. Plan out your goals, set your goals and plan out your steps to reaching it. Because at the end of the day, it's a journey, and it's gonna take patience to get into there. But you'll get there. Alright, if you enjoyed that video, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let us know some secrets you might have on making all of us better men in this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.